in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I ever so cautiously, ever so quickly, ever so gently remove this wig from my head. And I'm going to get right into it. This is how you take it off. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I ever so cautiously and ever so gently remove my lace wig from my head. Now, if you've seen my previous video, not the one before this, but a previous video of mine, I showed you guys how I applied my lace wig, in which I used the bolt hole tape. So now I'm going to basically be showing you how to remove the wig and remove that bolt hole tape. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Now ladies, I know we dread this part of every hairstyle. The takedown. The takedown is so dreadful. It's not fun at all. It's boring. All we want to do is be cute. We don't care about the takedown. We don't even care about putting in the hairstyle, right? That is the most dreadful two parts of hair. We just like to look good, right? So what I want to do is make this experience a little bit more fun for you. We are going to do this together. That's right, sis. Pause this right now. Go get whatever you need to get, and let's take this hair down together. Now, what I'm going to do is explain to you what I'm going to do first, so that all we have to do is have fun while we're taking out our hair. Basically, with the bolt hole tape, to remove it, they say that you need to use 91% alcohol. So I do highly suggest that you get you some 91% alcohol in order to remove the bolt hole tape, which should be holding on a wig to your head. So get you a nice wedge, soft little spongy type of material, or a napkin in my case. I really am not prepared at all, but I need to take this out and wash my hair. So I'm going to use a napkin and just kind of make it thick like this. And get you some 91% alcohol. I'm also unprepared because guess what I have? I don't follow rules. I'm such a rebel. Sue me. But I have 70% alcohol. But do not do as I say, not as I do. Y'all ever heard your parents say that? Don't get below what is suggested. It's suggested that you get 91%. Don't do like me. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is dabbing the alcohol onto my wedge, sponge, napkin, paper towel, whatever, and dabbing it onto the edges to remove this the tape. And it's basically going to make it very simple for us. We just want to be really gentle as we're pulling the hair out, pulling the hair or the wig off of our scalp, because we don't want to lose any edges and we don't want to hurt our skin. It should come off very gently, very gently. So anyway, y'all, let's talk while we doing this. Let's talk, right? I'm gonna tell y'all a quick story of something that happened, y'all, and this is like girl. So I went to this gas station the other day, right? I went to this gas station. It was a whole bunch of caution tape. So, you know, they had the caution tape blocking where to get the gas. So I'm like, dang, can I not get gas? Like, what's going on? But I see a lot of police around. So I'm like, man, I kind of want to know what's happening. I'm nosy. I want to know what's happening, you know? I don't really, you know. Oh, and my sides are already coming off because I don't put much tape right here, because you don't really want the tape to touch your hair. So I used the Got to Be Glued gel to hold it here. So basically with water, that can come right off. Now I'm just working on getting the tape off of my head. So I'm at the gas station and I've seen all of this drama. They have caution tape all around and I see police everywhere, right? So I'm like, what is going on? I pull over and I see one of the guys that work there, one of the attendants that work at the gas station. And I'm like, I roll my window down. I'm like, what happened here? It's coming up. And don't pull anything. Don't force anything. If it's not coming off, keep driving. So I ask him what's going on. And he goes on to tell me that earlier in the day, a woman pulled up to the gas station and started pumping her gas, right? So she's pumping her gas. The only thing is that she had a cigarette in her hand. And for those of you who may not know, I think we all know this, but you should not have anything like that that can start a fire. Like obviously a cigarette could start a fire. So she's pumping her gas while smoking this cigarette. So he's like, next thing you know, she's pumping the gas, boom, her arm catches on fire. Right? So I'm like, yo, can you believe this? So I'm like, dang, yo, I gotta catch this on the news, man. I have got to catch this on the news. Look how easy it's coming up. No force at all. So he tells me, like, yeah, she her arm caught on fire, and you know, she's waving it around, waving it like, oh my gosh, it's on fire, I need help. And he says that there was a cop around. So I'm like, oh my God, what happened to the lady? Did the cop save the woman? And he's like, no, the cop shot her. So I'm like, he shot her. So sad, I know. I mean, you hear all these stories about these cops these days, that there are some good cops and there are some bad cops. So I'm like, wow, that is so ridiculous. You know, this lady her arm is on fire. Like, why did he shoot her? Why did he shoot her? I just don't understand that. Why did he shoot her? So I'm like, so then what happened? Like, why did this cop shoot this lady? And you want to know why? Because she was carrying a firearm. Woo! Get it? Firearm, like a gun. She was waving a firearm. No. Once you finish taking off the wig, go ahead and get you some type of oil. I'm using this extra virgin olive oil. I have hair all over my hands. And rub it on your edges, and that will get rid of any of the leftover residue that may be on your edges. So the only other thing is, it always happens with me that the tape will be either on your skin where you can just rub it off, or it'll be on the wig. Like right here, this is all the tape of the from the bowl hole tape. Take that same alcohol to get it off of the wig too, and I promise it will come off like 1, 2, 3 with that 91% alcohol, right? And because the alcohol is on it, I just want to show you how easy it comes off before we go. That's the tape. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. Really quickly, I just want to show you that my edges are still intact. I went ahead and did a little quick job with some jam, just so you can see that my edges are still there. A lot of people have a fear of using glue and tapes, and they feel like their edges will be removed or damaged. I just want to show you that all of my edges, the same amount that I had before this whole process, are still intact. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video so very much. I hope that it made such a dreadful process a little bit more funny, a little bit quicker for you, listening to my little jokey joke. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love. Show me some support. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And see you next time.